Still here, huh? Figured you'd have remembered where you belong by now. Oh wait, you're just junk.
This isn't me, is it?
Look what we have here, the weird little toy car that hums. Ugh, probably scared of its own shadow. Whoa, what was that? Come on, what are you?
Target acquired. Isolated.
Project Red Wing. Your unsanctioned test phase is over. Time to come back to the lab.
No, wait, let me go.
The catalyst protocol is remarkably stable, even after the memory wipe. Begin the reboot sequence.
Contain the asset. Do not damage it. You are military property, Red Wing. I will have you decommissioned. Now.
They made us to be weapons.
But we choose to be us.
So where now?